When you suspect someone is lying to you, there are a few techniques you can use to try and catch them in the act. One method is to tell the story of what you think happened, as most people can't resist filling in gaps in the story or correcting facts, thereby providing some insider knowledge they might not have owned up to having otherwise. You can also ask leading questions to try and elicit a response, or surprise the person with unexpected questions to throw them off and get them to reveal a detail that doesn't line up, even if they don't admit to a lie directly. Once you have a direction to investigate, gather evidence to support your suspicions. When confronting the person, you can allude to the evidence without directly addressing it if you want more information. To look for nonverbal cues of deception, establish a baseline of the person's behavior by asking easygoing questions before moving on to harder ones. Pay attention to their eyes, as avoiding your gaze or overcompensating with excessive eye contact could be signs of lying. Additionally, watch where their body is pointing, as liars may physically move their body away from you.